This review is of Simply Nature Organic Tropical Acai Bowl with granola, mango, and pineapple. It is also non-GMO, certified by IBD. It's also parv, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims in that respect. Ow! I threw out my back, so please be patient here. And there's the blurb. I had to have this thing sitting out for a couple of hours because it was sold in the freezer, but I guess you're supposed to put it in the fridge before if you're going to eat it. This is a product of Brazil. Nutrition facts and ingredients. It does have xanthan gum and guar gum to help you fart. And it does have coconut oil to help you have more saturated fats. Hooray! And as you can see, one bowl without the granola is 140 calories, and with has 220 calories. 4.5 grams of fat versus 7. 1 gram of saturated fat versus 2.5. No cholesterol. 5 milligrams of sodium. 28 grams of carbs versus 41. 2 grams of fiber either way, and 14 grams of sugar versus 17. 13 of which either way is added 1 gram of protein versus 4. And that's, all right. Oh, man. I gotta get these muscles stretched back out. Comes with the granola separated. And there is the mixture of acai puree, which they harvest the acai and immediately puree it. It's quite the process and part of what makes it expensive. So I'm going to start with just the acai bowl. Yeah, so just like with the other one I tried, acai apparently has a flavor to it that kind of reminds me of like I'm not really eating fruit. I'm eating something that has meat or onions or something in it. Apparently it's part of the acai flavor. I don't really know. But it's not bad flavor. It's just don't hope for the flavors of mango and pineapple. They're not here. They're completely absent. They're overwhelmed by the flavor of the acai puree. And if you bought it frozen like I did, don't leave it in the freezer. Put it in your fridge or leave it out for a couple of hours so it can thaw. This has been out for over 2 hours, and even now, it still is not fully thawed when it comes to the pineapple, I think it is. Maybe that and the mango. So the flavor is different than you're going to expect. So just don't expect anything. I mean, it's sweet, but other than that, don't expect any particular flavor. Because this is not typical of flavors that Americans usually eat with fruit. It's very interesting. Acai is supposed to be good for your health. It's supposed to be a superfood. I'm gonna mix in this granola for a bit. All right, so I suppose I would have to leave the granola soaking in the acai bowl for quite some time before I noticed a major change in the flavor. At this point, all I'm tasting is the coconut from the coconut oil has been added to the flavor of the acai. So not bad. But again, don't have any expectations when you're going to have this because it's just so different. I'll give it a 7. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.